Welcome to Unleashed Inventory Management Training Academy. In this video, we'll guide you through the new Replenishment tab in AIM, now in beta, and the powerful features it brings to optimize your inventory and production planning. The Replenishment tab in AIM centralizes all replenishment calculations from your forecasts and production plans, automating your planning processes and right-sizing your replenishments according to a number of dependencies. Previously, these replenishments were accessible by exporting production plans to CSV product by product. Now, they're displayed in one place, saving you time and effort. Here's what the Replenishment tab can do. Centralise data. View all replenishments calculated from forecasts in one place. Filtering options. Filter replenishments by supplier or products to plan more effectively. Default supplier column. A new column in the replenishment plan CSV allows you to filter or sort items by supplier. Future enhancements. Soon, this page will include the ability to create replenishments at the push of a button. For now, you can export the details and create assemblies and purchases in Unleashed, and the open transactions will be synced into AIM, and the upcoming replenishments required will be recalculated. Once you've submitted a forecast, refresh the Replenishment tab to review your replenishments. When creating a forecast, the supply chart lists the quantities and dates of required replenishments. After submission, these replenishments will appear in the Replenishment tab. Clicking on a product description in this tab takes you to the forecast, letting you review replenishments in context. The forecast table now features a new Replenishments tab, listing replenishment details calculated in your forecast. Once saved, these details also appear in the AIM Replenishments tab. For component or assembled products, additional tabs, Components Demand and Parent Assemblies, display demand quantities per parent product and the next replenishment date for context. It's not necessary to forecast demand on component products if you forecast their finished products and enable production demand. AIM will calculate the demand and the Replenishment tab will detail when components need to be replenished, saving you a significant amount of time. Please note, when you create a forecast, the number of days of stock you want to hold will determine the size and timing of your replenishments. Let's recap the key benefits of the AIM Replenishment tab. Centralised replenishment data for better visibility. Enhanced filtering options for products and suppliers. Start exploring the new AIM Replenishments tab today and take control of your inventory like never before. For more tutorials and expert tips, visit Unleashed Academy or check out our support page.